everyone, my name is Faith and today I'm going to show you how to make the trending with coffee, or you call that Dalgona coffee. And I actually been seeing this for over a month now, and I really wanted to try this because it looks super yummy and it looks super easy to make. And since today is my day off, I am going to try to make it, and I'm gonna show you how. And for the ingredients, you only need three ingredients, and it's gonna be instant coffee, sugar, and hot water, and that's all you will need for this whipped coffee. Okay, come on, let's go get started. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to see more videos. Thanks. Bye.